This is our workshop for the ship loading. Yeah, before the ship loading, everything we will do the package and ready for the loading. Here is the finished the gear. Yeah, you will find the gear. We are packaged well by plastic, right? And you will find the frame in here once you load into the container, just like this one to loading. We will ensure they can put into the container. Yeah. Here is for the reductor. Yeah. After that, we tested well for the reductor. We will put in here and packaging the well by the plastic film. Yes. Different power, different requests for the buyer. Finished, we will packaging in there. And this part is for the electric control box. Electric control box. This is also finished package. You will find each one box. We will wrapping by plastic film. And for the electric box, all of the exported one, we will use the stainless steel one. Here is for the electric control, the core parts. You will find this is the PLC type. Here is the button type. We have the two function. The first one, you can use your finger to touch the PLC screen. Of course, once the PLC with the trouble, you can use the button by your hand. Yes, two pads to control the Oden drum. Okay, here is also the finished package for the Oden drum. This is one. This is part is the air wheel. We will ship load into the rusher. Yeah. Here is the reductor. Yeah. Here is the electric box control the box. Yeah. Control the box. Yeah. Here is a finished box for the gear. Yeah. Because the Oden body is so big, we should be separate them to load into the container will be more easy. Yeah. Here is for the gear. For the process. Yes. After finished the grinding, we will wrapping them by the plastic film. Here part is the finished drum body building. During the COVID time, it's so difficult to send the engineer for installation. So some of the small drum will be finished assembled in our workshop, direct loading to the container. After the buyer get this finished body and link to the power to gear, they can run automatically. Yeah. In the back, you will find here is for the water tank. Yeah. Also, of course, it is separate to loading into the container. Yeah. This is finished. The water tank for remote. Yeah. And some the buyer, if there no need our loading, no need to building the drum the body complete, they're possible to building them by themselves. For example, in my back, that is the Oden part. Yes, this way, if you only the wood, maybe they can save much money. Yes, for the ship loading charge. Yeah, of course, if you have the team for assembly the drum, that is more better. Yeah. The back, that is for the paint, ready for the dryer for the Oden drum. The each wood paint. Yeah, each wood for the paint. Once the dry. Yes, we will paint some the oil, paint some the coating layer for anti-crossing. Yeah, anti-crossing. Yeah, this is the workshop, the before loading, ready for the package. Thank you.